In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a looping spin animation in Google Slides for any object you'd like. This simple yet effective technique will help make your presentations more dynamic and engaging. To start, you'll need to select the object you wish to animate. It could be a shape, a text box, an image, or any other element on your slide. Once you've made your selection, let's move on to the next step, opening the animation pane. To do this, right-click the object you've chosen and select Animate. Alternatively, you can navigate to the top menu, click on Insert, and then select Animation. This will bring up the animation pane on the right side of your screen where all the magic happens. Here, you'll find a variety of options to bring your slide to life. For our purposes today, we're focusing on the spin animation. Next, in this pane, you'll need to add your spin animation. Look through the animation options and select Spin. Once applied, this will give your selected object that delightful spinning effect. Now, it's important to set the start condition for this initial spin. You have three choices here: on click, after previous, or with previous. If you'd like the animation to start when you click, go ahead and select on click. If you're looking for it to occur after another animation, then after previous is your best option. Both choices can suit different styles of presentations, so choose the one that aligns with your intention. Now, let's talk about the speed and duration. In the animation pane, you'll notice options to adjust these settings to your liking. You can play around with how fast or slow the spin happens to find the pace that feels right for your presentation. To create that continuous spinning effect, sometimes known as stacking animations, we'll need to add another layer of spin. You'll do this by clicking the Add Animation button again in the animation pane and once more selecting Spin. For the second spin, make sure you set its start condition to after previous. This setup will ensure that the second spin begins as soon as the first one completes, creating a seamless loop. If you're interested in continuing the spinning action indefinitely throughout your presentation or for a longer duration, you can simply repeat these last couple of steps, stacking additional spin animations and setting each one to start after previous. This repeated setup ensures your object keeps spinning with every new entrance or click. Finally, it's a good idea to test the animation to see how it plays out. Click the play button in the animation pane to preview the effect and make any final adjustments you need. With these steps, your animated Google slide is ready to impress. Thanks for watching, and happy animating!